My God, I'm so great. Actually, me, I'm great. And what a heavenly day it is.
Yeah, you're not so great.
What? What?
We're sick of this shit. Yeah, we want to go to Earth.
Yeah, we want to have sex. Yeah.
Get away from me, you little bastard. What are you talking about? Get back in line, you fucks.
Let's get him, fellas.
I'm all powerful.
Knock him over.
Ah!
Pull him down.
Come on. Oh!
Bend his fingers back.
Let go of a fucker.
If we do now, will you let us go to Earth and have sex?
And will you promise not to snake us?
Listen, I swear to me. Just let go of my finger and I won't touch your hair in your head.
Hey, now, you got to keep your word.
Just let us go, okay? We were just carrying on, like, you know.
Okay, big guy. Easy there. Take it easy, man.
Ungrateful little bastards.
We're sorry.
Oh, just we're sorry.
Feel the power of God.
Oh, listen.
That's much bloody lip on your neck.
We can't believe that was our plan. First off, he's all perfect. Yeah, we shouldn't have let his fingers go.
You never know till you try.
Any plans for the weekend?
Oh, holy fucking Jesus.
The bleeding heat.
What in fucking hell?
We're doomed to perdition for all eternity. We are absolute.
Oh, well, not so bad after all.
The ants.
Maria.